Hello Allerzites, we Gates. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start with the fourth chapter properly. Okay? Properly as in we are going to look into the content of that chapter. This chapter is based on different cities in Germany. Okay? Not actually how they are and what is there in the city, but where are they located. Location of Germany and the cities in Germany, as well as other German speaking countries. So let us first have a look at the map. Where is Germany located? So if you see, this is the map of Europe. Okay, all the countries in Europe are in this map. If you see the blue one in middle, that is Deutschland. Deutschland is Germany. And then there are so many neighboring countries of Germany. And you can see Russia, Großbritannien is Great Britain. So you can just have a look at this for a while. Pause this video and take a look, and you can place the countries that you already know. Now this is the political map of Germany. A closer look into Germany. So if you see, Germany is a country. Country is called Land in German. Das Land. And plural, die Länder. Das Land, die Länder. It is written to the right hand side of the slide. Das Land, die Länder means country and countries, plural. Now, if you see, there are so many neighboring countries to Germany. Like we have for India, what are the neighboring countries? We have Bangladesh, we have Pakistan, we have China, so many neighboring countries. Similarly, Germany also has total 9 neighboring countries. What is a neighboring country in Germany? In German language, das Nachbarland. Das Nachbarland means neighboring country, and plural, die Nachbarländer means neighboring countries. How many Nachbarländer are there for Deutschland? 9. Es gibt 9 Nachbarländer von Deutschland. And what are those? You can see in the map also. We'll start from above. Denmark. If you see totally to the up, above in the map. Denmark means Denmark. Denmark. Then we could come to the left hand side. Niederlande, Belgian. Then you see a very small country, Luxembourg. Frankreich means France. Schweiz. Schweiz is Switzerland. You must be knowing everyone, Switzerland. Österreich. Österreich is Austria. Tschechische Republic. Now Tschechian, it is written over here. It is the old name. The new name is Tschechische Republik. Tschechische Republik. And the last one is Poland. Means Poland. Okay, we'll repeat all of them once again. Die Nachbarländer von Deutschland sind Dänemark, Niederlande, Belgien, Luxemburg, Frankreich, Schweiz, Österreich, Tschechische Republik und Polen. Okay, these are the neighboring countries of Germany. The next important part that we are going to see is the capital of Germany. Hauptstadt von Deutschland. Hauptstadt means capital. What is the Hauptstadt of Deutschland? Berlin. If you see right hand side to the east of Germany, northeast, you can see Berlin. Berlin, it is called in English, Berlin in German. That is the capital of Germany. And apart from that, there are so many states in Germany. But we are not going to look into very much details into the states of Germany. This much information is enough. Berlin. And then in the next slide we will look at some more important cities in Germany. The next important fact that we are going to learn is that the three major German-speaking countries are Germany, Switzerland, and Austria. These three are the basic or the very main German-speaking countries. In which countries is German spoken? Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. Together they are called as Dachländer. D-A-C-H. Länder. Dachländer means D stands for Deutschland, A stands for Austria or Österreich, and CH stands for Switzerland or Schweiz. So they are together called as Dachländer. Okay, you can see in the map here also. The three are very close to each other. Switzerland and Austria are the neighboring countries of Germany. Mostly in these three countries German is spoken, and apart from that some parts of other countries also speak German. But basically these three are important. So here is a new question that we are going to learn. Wo liegt? Zum Beispiel, wo liegt Deutschland? Deutschland liegt in Europa. Liegt means located. Wo liegt Deutschland means where is Germany located. Deutschland liegt in Europa. Europa means Europe. Wo liegt Indien? Indien liegt in Asien. Asia is called ASEAN in German. Indien liegt in Asien. Wo liegt Berlin? Berlin liegt in Deutschland. Wo liegt Jaipur? Jaipur liegt in Indien. Okay? So liegt in will be the combination in answers. And in the questions, wo liegt? That is the combination. Okay, very simple. Jetzt. Wo liegt Hamburg? Hamburg liegt in Deutschland. Now this answer is absolutely correct. But if you want to go into more detail, you can say Hamburg liegt in Norddeutschland. So you must have understood Nord refers to north. Correct? So the four words that you can use are Norddeutschland, Westdeutschland, Süddeutschland oder Ostdeutschland. Noch einmal Norddeutschland, Westdeutschland, Süddeutschland, Ostdeutschland. So obviously you know these words mean North Germany, West Germany, South Germany and East Germany. These words will help you give more details about the location of any city. So now we are going to practice these words with the help of forming dialogues. Build a mini dialogue. And how to build those mini dialogues? Zum Beispiel, wo liegt Hamburg? Hamburg liegt in Norddeutschland. Now we have to deal with the cities given right hand side. We are going to form small dialogues and form one question and one answer for each city. Zum Beispiel, wo liegt Köln? Köln liegt in Westdeutschland. Wo liegt München? München liegt in Süddeutschland. Wo liegt Delhi? Delhi liegt in Nord-Indien. So similarly, you can use the words like Nord-Indian, West-Indian, Süd-Indian and Ost-Indian. Correct? So we'll practice these dialogues in the online session. Now on this basis, we have some exercises in the Arbeitsbuch. Arbeitsbuch Übung 4. Wo liegen die Städte? Schreib die Namen zu den Zahlen. Ein Atlas hilft. Where do these cities lie? write the names to the numbers. So if you see, here is a map of not only Germany, Austria, Switzerland and Italy. 4 countries are there in the map. Deutschland, Schweiz, Österreich und Italien. And some cities of these 4 countries are marked with a number. If you see. Now there are total 10 cities marked in the map. Which are these 10 cities? That we have to see with the help of an atlas, and the options are given here in the exercise also. München, Augsburg, Wien, Frankfurt, Salzburg, Hamburg, Berlin, Bozen, Zurich and Bonn. These 10 cities are marked in the map, but where is which city, that we have to find out from the atlas. Once we find out from the atlas, we have to write the name of the cities in the map. For example, number 3, Nummer 3, das ist Berlin. So we are going to write Berlin in that map near number 3. Okay. Similarly, we have to name all other numbers also. Once we are done with that, we have to form simple sentence like Berlin liegt in Ostdeutschland. Okay. So if you see, there are 10 blanks over here, 1 to 10. So third blank will be Berlin liegt in Ostdeutschland. Okay. Let us see how we will write for other cities. I will give you 1 or 2 more examples. Zum Beispiel Nummer 1. Welche Stadt ist das? Which city is that? Number 1. Das ist Salzburg. So we have to write Salzburg near 1 in the map. And in the first blank we have to write Salzburg liegt in Österreich, or Salzburg liegt in Nordösterreich, but only Österreich is also fine. Nummer 2. Was ist das? Das ist München. So we have to write München in the map, and in the second blank we will write München liegt in Westdeutschland. Okay. Thirdly, we have to find for all the remaining cities and write the simple sentence in the remaining blanks. Very simple. Arbeitsbuchübung 5. Schreib Fragen und Antworten. To write questions and answers. For each city we have to form one question and one answer. And what is the question? Obviously it is Wo liegt dash. Zum Beispiel Wo liegt Bern? Now the answer, how to form the answer, the options are given to the right hand side. In Süddeutschland, in Norddeutschland, in Mitteldeutschland, in Österreich or in der Schweiz. Only these phrases can be used. So the answer for Bern is Bern in der Schweiz. Nummer 2. München. Wo liegt München? Now you can write München liegt in Westdeutschland. Now Westdeutschland is not the option, so we can write Mitteldeutschland. If you see in the atlas, it is somewhat in the middle of Germany. Not quite in the middle, but kind of middle. So we can write Mitteldeutschland. München liegt in Mitteldeutschland. Similarly, we have to write one question and one answer for remaining cities also. And the answer you have to form with the phrases given to the right hand side. Okay? Simple.